The UK generates 290 million tonnes of waste every year, of which 23 million comes from our homes. Happily, the amount being sent to landfill is decreasing, and that's due in part to companies like PROBIO Energy International, one of the UK's leading providers of alternative fuels.
Quality of our product is something we take very, very seriously. The export of RDF is quite heavily regulated within the UK and is all governed by the Environment Agency. This is all done through a transfrontier of shipment notification. We basically have a full chain of command and take full custody of the waste from when it's in PROBIO's possession, and we are fully responsible and accountable for that waste until the full recovery process has taken place. We will dip check in production plants to check that organics are being taken out, that material is actually being shredded and sorted before it ends up in the bale. We will then do dip checks on the actual baling process, so we check the quality of the bale, whether that be the actual pressure on the baler, the number of plastic ties being used to tie the bale. We then go one step further where we'll also check the plastic that's being used, whether that be the number of layers of wrap, the type of plastic being used, and also the durability of that plastic. Very important that when we load a vessel, we know when the bales come off the other end, there's not going to be any quality control issues.
PROBIO, who vary the type of RDF it delivers according to customers' demands.
We can offer different flock size, so whether that be 400ml, or that be 80ml, 100ml, 30ml, and we can offer different feedstock, so that could be commercial and industrial, it could be solely household waste, it could be a mixture of both.
PROBIO also supplies biomass and agri-waste to clients, as well as another form of waste called SRF, solid recovered fuel produced from commercial and industrial waste, and which has a higher heating value. This it exports to cement producers all over Europe. One thing remains constant, however: PROBIO's commitment to protect the environment from what is essentially an undesirable product. Last year, PROBIO exported over 200,000 tonnes of alternative fuels which would otherwise have gone to landfill. PROBIO is giving waste an afterlife, waste reborn as energy.